Hi, this is Victor. Welcome to Spot Mistakes Made by My Student episode 3. Today I have prepared another video clip for you to spot the mistakes. Give me your answer below and the winner to guess first and get all the answer correctly will get a free book written by me. I will give you a hint later at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Okay, let me give you a hint. My student did 3 major mistakes in this video clip. Are you able to guess all the mistakes correctly? I will give you the answer and announce the winner on the 10th of January. If this is the first time you're watching this video, please subscribe to us and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our video in the future. Thanks for watching.